Welcome to UW-Madison's Master of Science in Information program. Through our program, you will gain technical expertise and critical skills to lead in today's digital world. There are three concentration areas in the MS Information program, and in this video, we will briefly introduce the User Experience Design concentration. The User Experience Design concentration consists of three elective courses in sequence. You will take one course in each semester starting your first semester in the program. In these courses, you will learn about UX principles and theories and work through the full cycle of UX user research, ideation and design, and testing and evaluation. You will do projects in all of the courses which build your portfolio. The knowledge and skills that you will gain from this program are in demand in many organizations and industries. Common job titles related to this concentration include instructional designer, UX designer, UX researcher, information architect, user interface developer, interaction designer, and more. Graduates of our program have played key roles in creating intuitive, user centered digital and physical systems that enhance functionality and accessibility. Concentrations in the MS Information program are highly customizable, and you can mix and match elective courses to tailor to your career goals. Scan the QR code to learn more.